really think about, the progression of like self-driving cars, you like or autonomous vehicles, you see there's a couple key areas that led to really the breakthrough of self-driving cars, which is advances in sensing technologies that are able to sit like LIDAR sensors, cameras and beyond. So getting very good high fidelity data that is very important for the breakthrough of autonomous vehicles. And then also this advancement on edge. So like this edge compute capability where it's like the car itself is, like the edge, you can think of the edge device, and you're doing a lot of the compute and the AI is like sitting on edge. And so we think a lot about this kind of parallel with manufacturing, where if you look at manufacturing, it's arguably, I would say, the most ubiquitous sector in the world. Everything needs to be made, right? Like everything we eat, we use, we wear. And the way that we run our mission critical operations in these factories that, again, make everything that sustains society is done oftentimes the same way for the past 70 years.